fine, and you?
I'm also good, by the grace of Almighty. Where are you from?
I'm from San Diego, California.
Oh, that's great. I know you can hear me, but you are kidding.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I know that. So, how is going on? Everything is okay in your life?
Yeah. Um. Today was bad day.
What is the reason? Why bad?
I don't know. My boyfriend
Cheat
is
you?
dead.
You are kidding. You are a native English speaker. Can you give me a tips? How can I improve my English? Because I'm learning English, if you don't mind.
You're learning English. English learning.
Yeah.
Oh, let's improve your English.
Give me some tips. How can I improve?
What what do you want to learn? Say to me. Let's talk in English now.
Now we are practicing
Right
here.
now.
So I want to speak fluently. Sometimes I'm stuck. I don't have any English in my mind. So how can I improve? And how can I fix it?
Maybe you can teach me.
No, I'm a learner. How can I teach you? You teach me.
If you are a fluent person, you can teach me something new.
Oh, you want to speak my native language? My native in Bangla. You want to say something in Bengali? Listen. You want to say something in Bengali?
Bengali, no. I don't know how to speak in Bengali.
I can teach you. You only repeat that, okay?
Okay.
Tell me, আমি
আমি
তোমাকে
আমি তোমাকে
ভালোবাসি.
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
It's mean I love you. Let's repeat full sentence.
You say to me, I love you.
Yeah, in Bengali.
In Bengali. Bengali is from
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Bangladesh.
Next to India.
I think I'm here about Bangladesh before. I don't know.